Good afternoon, everyone. We're back again with two more boxes of 2018-2019 Upper Deck Ice with 5 levels of Ice Premier's rookie cards. We are, I guess, in a sense, looking for a Pedersen. We'll see. Odds are bad. We got 2 boxes. 1, 2. My wife picked out one. I picked out one. So we'll see who does better on the break. So we'll do. Let's do hers first. She usually does pretty good picking out boxes. So we'll see how she fared this time. I went with the theory of a lighter box. She went with a theory of a number. So we'll see who did better here. Hopefully pull something decent here. So, all right, first pack on the White's box here. We'll see what we got. Cruise through the base cards here. We got Dougie Hamilton again. Got a rookie relic jumbos of Dylan Dubé. That's 41 of 199. Not too shabby. Those are pretty cool. Sid the Kid and Jonathan Huberdeau. As always, you get 1 auto per box. Could be a nice Premier's auto. Could be a exquisite auto. So we'll have to see how it works out. First, I have Mikko Rantanen, Seth Jones, another Mikko Rantanen green, and Jamie Benn. And got an Ice Premier's card. Ethan Bear, not too bad. A prospect for the Oilers, 223 out of 999. Ethan Bear, pretty sweet. I like him. All right, next up we got Ryan O'Reilly, Seth Jones, Brett Burns, Leon Draisaitl, and we got a Sub-Zero rookie of Evan Bouchard, 425 out of 999. Evan Bouchard. It's like an Oilers hot box. We could pull a Gretzky auto out of here or something. That'd be kind of cool. Or Connor McDavid, maybe. Oh man, wouldn't that be awesome? All right, get Jack Eichel, Henrik Lundqvist, Austin Matthews green, Mikael Granlund, and we got another Ice Premier's, another Oiler, Cooper Maruti. It's not Connor, but yeah, Ice Premier's Cooper Maruti. Come on, Connor. All right. Got Austin Matthews, Steven Stamkos. We got a fat card here. Let's see what we got. We got Ryan Getzlaff, and we're going to use Vladimir Tarasenko. Oh, this is what we're looking for, guys, right here. Premier's autograph patch card of Logan Brown. That is pretty sweet. 5 out of 10. You can see that on there. Logan Brown. He's a Senator. I feel bad for him because, you know, Senators. But, yeah, that's pretty badass. I'm very happy with that pick. Good job.
You're welcome.
A really good pick. These are 1 per case. So yeah, Logan Brown, Ice Premier's auto. Nice sick patch. Look at that. Only 3 color, but look at all the breaks in it. Just super cool. Love it. 5 out of 10. Yeah, Logan Brown. Last pack of a pretty phenomenal box so far. All right, first up, we got Vlad Tarasenko, Sean Couturier, Bo Horvat, and we got a Sub-Zero rookie of Maxime Comtois. 463 out of 999. Not too bad. Going to be a really good player for the Ducks. Yeah, look at those stats. 54 games, 44 goals, 41 assists for 85 points. Man. Yeah, he's gonna be good. All right. Well, that's Shannon's box. I gotta say she's gonna be tough to beat. So
You should get that Petter.
pretty solid. So let's see how we do in box number 2. This was mine. I'll probably regret it, but at least she picked a good one. All right. All right. First pack. All right, we got Henrik Lundqvist, Austin Matthews, my boy Dylan Larkin, D-Boss, Dylan Larkin, green, Steven Stamkos, and we got an Ice Premier's rookie of Juho Lamiko of $12.99. Juho Lamiko. All right. It's not the one we're looking for, guys. Oh, we got another fat card. Let's see. You know, let's save that one. We'll come back to it. Probably nothing, but you never know. All right, Sean Couturier, Kuznetsov green, Jonathan Huberdeau, Sidney Crosby, and we got a Sub-Zero rookie, or not rookie, Sub-Zero of Marc-Andre Fleury. Yep, the flower. Pretty good card. All right, next up, we got Dougie Hamilton, Mikko Rantanen, Jamie Benn, and what do we got here? We got rookie relics jumbos of Jordan Kyrou, 133 of 199. Jordan Kyrou, nice swatch there, and Patrice Bergeron. So far, my wife is completely kicking my ass. So, we need something good here. Seth Jones, Blake Wheeler, Brett Burns, Leon Draisaitl, and we got an Ice Premier's rookie, Austin Wagner, 197 of 999. All right, last pack, and then we'll go back to that thick card. We got Ryan O'Reilly, Jack Eichel green, Alexander Barkov, Max Domi, and we got a Sub-Zero rookie of Casey Middlestat, 806 of 999. Casey Middlestat, not too bad. Good, great player. All right, let's see what we got here. We didn't get our auto, so this is our auto. So hopefully it's a solid one. All right, got Bo Horvat, Vladimir Tarasenko. Oh, a nice Ramirez rookie of Par Lindholm of $9.99. And let's slow roll this one. We know who that is.
Showdown.
That be Dennis Cholowski. Dennis Cholowski. Number 143 of 199. I would be more ecstatic right now, but I actually bought one of these. So now I have to sell one. So yeah, Dennis Cholowski. Great player. Give me a good prospect for Detroit. Hopefully he'll make the team come out of training camp this year. So we'll see. Time will tell on that. So yeah, that's the break, guys. Thanks again for watching, and if you like the video, subscribe, please. You could always use more subscribers. I'll try to keep content coming to you guys as often as I can afford to. So without further ado, thanks again for joining us, and y'all have a great day.